Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a place that feels like it's straight out of a fairy tale, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of St Nectan's Glen in Cornwall, home to one of the UK's most magical waterfalls. The walk to magic, the adventure begins as soon as you step on.
Do you know when you call love, when to become one? And I felt like a boom in your arms, I call home. Do you know when you call love, when to become one? And I felt like a boom in your arms, I call home. It feels like paradise when your hands are in mine. It feels like paradise when I drown into your eyes. Like it feels like paradise when your hands are in mine. It feels like paradise when I drown into your eyes. Like a paradise. Do you know when you call love, when to become one? And I felt like a boom in your arms, I call home. Do you know when you call love, when to become one? And I felt like a boom in your arms, I call home. It feels like paradise when your hands are in mine. It feels like paradise when I drown into your eyes. Like it feels like paradise when your hands are in mine. It feels like paradise when I drown into your eyes. Like a paradise. Do you know when you call love, when to become one? And I felt like a boom in your arms, I call home. Do you know when you call love, when to become
Magic, the adventure begins as soon as you step onto the path. Tucked away near the village of Tintagel, this is a walk that will transport you. It's a gentle, approximately 45-minute stroll each way, following the serene river Trevelet through an ancient moss-covered woodland. As you walk, you'll feel the modern world fade away, replaced by the peaceful sounds of birdsong and the rustle of leaves. It's the kind of place that reminds you of the simple, wild beauty of nature. The Keep, a hidden wonder. After the scenic walk, you'll arrive at the main event, the spectacular St Nectan's Waterfall. Locally known as the Kiev, this isn't just a waterfall, it's a natural wonder. The water cascades an impressive 60 feet through a circular hole that has been carved out of the slate rock over thousands of years. It's a truly unique sight, and the powerful rush of the water creates a mesmerizing, misty atmosphere. People often leave offerings like ribbons and crystals on the branches nearby, adding to the site's mystical and spiritual feel. History and legends. This glen isn't just beautiful, it's also steeped in history and folklore. Legend says the waterfall was once home to St Nectan, a 6th century saint who lived as a hermit in the glen. He was said to have rung a silver bell during storms to warn sailors of the treacherous coastline, making the waterfall a beacon of protection. The Glen is also a designated Site of Special Scientific Interest, SSSI, a sanctuary for a variety of unique ferns, mosses, and lichens that thrive in the damp, ancient woodland. Essential tips for your trip. Before you visit, here are a few quick tips. The path can be a bit muddy, especially near the waterfall, so make sure to wear sturdy, waterproof footwear. There's a small admission fee to enter the Glen and see the waterfall. The walk is not suitable for wheelchairs or pushchairs due to the terrain. Final thoughts. St Nectan's Glen is more than just a destination. It's an experience for the soul. It's a place to disconnect from the noise of daily life and reconnect with the raw beauty of nature. We hope